Hi, my name is Mohammed Al-Amir. I am a co-founder of Woamy. We can all see the waste we produce, and we can all see that we are drowning in single-use plastics, especially styrofoam that represents about 90% of marine debris. And that's because of its lightness. It's hard to collect and recycle these materials. But what is the alternative? Let me introduce you to our solution. Introducing Woamy, a fully bio-based recyclable foam that is non-toxic that you can even eat it. It is strong and light, and it has a competitive production cost that fits for many applications, such as protective packaging, food packaging, shoe insoles, sports equipment, insulations, you name it. And we are five founders with a mix of creative design, science, and business. We all have been working on developing the technology together, and we all believe that it has a huge potential impact. And now we need your support. Join our mission and let's find a way out of plastic waste.